Hey guys, today I will explain how to add multiple locations on your Shopify store. This process is simple and easy. The first thing is head over to your store and sign in your account to which you want to add your multiple locations. Once you do all these things, you will see the same interface like me. And from here, take the look on the left side, you will see multiple options like home, order, products, and much more. And on the last, you can also see an option settings. Click on it. By tapping on that option, you will get access to your store setting where you can do multiple things like general, ban, billing, user and permissions, and much more. But we want to add location, so from these options, you have to select this option location. Now you can see using one of two active location available on your plan. The plan which I am using is a free plan. So that's why I can add only two locations. But if you have another plan, then you will set your locations according to your plans. Maybe you can add more than two locations. We want to add a location, so that's why I will click on the option add location. And here, tap on the option name to add your name and then click on the option address. And here, write everything. You can also select your another region on Shopify. After selecting region, write the address, apartment, city, postal code, and everything, and then hit the save button. Then this location will be added, and you can use more than a single location on your Shopify store to make your customer more easy access of your store. And that's it.